disclaimer, do not drink this water. Okay, so, you know how I was saying about this thing? Well, you put it in there just like this, then you put it somewhere on your porch, or I don't know how your guys' casa is, so whatever you have, put it on something that it'll get rained on, and that'll be the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed how to make a rain gauge, because I call these how to make stuff videos. So I don't really do that all the time. This is the first video I made about making stuff, but hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, hit that like button if you liked it, and see you in the next video. Bye!